Hello, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an automatic messaging software for WhatsApp. Let's check it out. This software is called 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦 WhatsApp. Please go ahead and open it. This software includes account management, proxy management, and content management. The messaging feature allows you to send messages by phone number, message group members, or interact within groups. To add an account to the software, you just need to enter the phone number in this section. Right-click and you'll see the menu to log into your WhatsApp account. To add new content, go to the Content Management section and follow these steps. In the Group Member Messaging section, you just need to select an account, and the software will load all the groups that the account is currently participating in. We will configure the messaging settings on the right-hand side. Suggestion: send max 50 messages per hour with random delay 30 to 50 seconds between messages to simulate user behavior. In the section for sending messages via a list of phone numbers. To add phone numbers, switch to the Phone Number List section. Right-click and select Add Phone Number. You will have three options to enter phone numbers: using a sample Excel file, a sample text file, or by entering the phone numbers directly into the software. Select the phone numbers you want to send messages to. Next, set the interval between each message sent. Select the content you want to send. If you select more than one piece of content, the software will randomly choose one to send as a message. Then, you will set the number of messages you want each account to send in this section. If you want to learn more about the software or register to use it, feel free to message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.